Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Trying something new today, it's a Spinach Spinner Spectacle with Budgie Buddies J and K.
Cassidy Campbell. Now, this guy, I know of him because he used to be in fitness, YouTube fitness, right? So he used to do videos about fitness, but I think now his channel is like a reaction, like parody, like channel trolls people in public. But he's basically trolling Portland on the fact that they again allowed their city to be trashed by the war revolutionaries in the name of social justice, right? And then they try to make all kinds of excuses for it, right? Like they try to call looting is reparations, right? Looting is reparations. It's not stealing. It's not taking from those business owners stuff that doesn't belong to them. No, it's reparations. Okay. So yeah, setting stuff on fire, right? Trash everywhere. All the things that are associated with the destructiveness of the left. It's just art, man. It's just art. Okay, that's what it is. It's art. These right wingers don't know what the hell they're talking about. They're simply overreacting to what is an ongoing art project, which is the Portland city.
And, you know, the only way to end this Ukraine thing, I just want to speak on that because we've been talking about this, is if we can all do our part and get vaccinated. Because there's so many people that are still not vaccinated. My grandmother was 95 years old and she died because those around her refused to get vaccinated because they're science deniers and conspiracy theorists. They believe that it's some depopulation goal by Bill Gates. Why in the world would somebody spend that much money to get vaccines out who is trying to hurt people? Bill Gates is a doctor and he is a medical professional. So why would somebody say something like that about him? It sickens me. So guys, if you're watching this, you need to go do your part and get the vaccine. And I don't know why Dr. Fauci isn't getting any media coverage because, you know what? We should be praying for Ukraine and we should be getting vaccinated at the same time. I'm sickened that I had to go to Israel to get my 4th booster shot. And you know what? It is your social responsibility, City of Portland, United States of America, the entire world, to do that. And you know what? My only regret is that I could not stop Breonna Taylor's killers, and we need to defund the police, not defend the police, because that would be disgusting. And you know what? I have seen.
This dude is literally hitting every woke SJW talking point that he can. Okay, and these people can't stand it. They can't stand it. I mean, look at this woman right here. Look at this woman right here. She looks like she's one hit of a Hunter Biden crack pipe away from being integrated. Okay, that's like those people, right? And the reason why this trolling is so funny to me and this is so important is because these city council members are getting taste of their own medicine. Right, they're getting trolled by people that are acting like the woke revolutionaries that they support, and they can't stand it. Right, they can't stand 1 second of this. Right, they can't wait to get this guy off the line. They can't wait. Okay, but they deserve it. They deserve all the trolling they're getting because they're responsible for all the destruction going on in their city. Right, so they should be trolled by people who will bring to the forefront the silliness and insanity of what these people allow and what they endorse, right? They think that what this guy is saying right now is so silly, right? They can't stand it. But this is the exact same type of thing that people today capitulate to say and believe.
So much police brutality in these last 2 years, and it sickens me. Every single bit of a mayor wheel, you have done such a good job on cracking down on this. I cried myself to sleep when I realized that I could have stopped Breonna Taylor's killers, but what was I doing? I was shopping at Target. I work at Target. After I get off, I go spend my check there. It's a direct deposit. And then I go home and I cry myself to sleep every night because I couldn't stop Breonna Taylor's killer. And another positive note is that George Floyd has been sober for 2 years now. Oh my God. And thank you so much.
We need to rethink communications, colleagues. It's really becoming a forum for no apparent reason. It's really unfortunate what's going on here.
Nah, what's unfortunate is
I would
We need some parameters in
yeah,
place.
not today, but I think as the council we need to talk about this. It is no longer productive.
I agree.
Number 184, please.
yeah, so these guys have been getting thrown into oblivion, right? And this was just the latest example of them getting trolled. And, you know, hey, if they don't like it, then why don't you fix your secret, right? This stuff probably wouldn't happen if, again, you weren't letting the criminals run your asylum. And if you didn't capitulate to all the woke nonsense that was basically being brought up to you guys, and that was the whole point of the trolling in the first place, right? Which is to demonstrate the insanity that these people allow and endorse into their city. So, let me know what you guys think. To make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Passages of time during that short passage.
Reminds me, we'll circle back on that.
Let's circle back. Evidently, there's a book coming out that talks about the friction between the vice president and the president, especially their office. One thing they talk about is how unorganized it is, not unlike her Senate office. There was high expectations when she was appointed senator in one election, and evidently she was never organized, never got herself together with a message, and she's brought that magic to the vice president's office.
She needs a telephone.
Right. We don't know that.
Well, we do know that apparently the number one website she's looking at is Indeed, because she's looking for a staff member. She's got another opening, although it sounds like it's already been filled.
Bullshit, boom!
This video is brought to you by The Oxentative Store. The Oxentative Store, get the merch link in the description section. We still have our 50% off clearance sale going on the store right now. Also, if you're looking for my book, Beating Black and Blue, Being a Black Cop in America Overseas, the signed copy and the non-signed copy, both of those items are on my store. The link is in the description section, so go ahead and head over there, like and subscribe to this channel. Download the podcast, the Beat Tatum Show podcast, on all podcasting platforms. Y'all already know what to do. Let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, I love... when I see celebrity types, rappers, people who influence a lot of our culture come out and just tell the truth. And one person that does it better than most is Lil Boosie. Lil Boosie is a rapper, gangster rapper, out of New Orleans, Baton Rouge to be exact.
She seems totally out of depth in almost every other issue, especially when she has to ad-lib and talk from the heart or extemporaneously about the issue she should have thoroughly digested. This on the heels of news that she lost her 10th staffer who thought, there's got to be something better for me to do.
Yeah, but this guy has said, I will bother. She will. She was her national secretary, right? People on the screen, all the people that supported her action.
With the latest terrorist staff shakeup, there have been these well-publicized stories on the Washington Post about how hard she is to work for. Brian, you alluded to what she's talking about. This particular woman who just left, who is going to be replaced by her deputy, she was the woman who went with her as national security advisor when she was down in Central America.
Answer the phone, Joshua.